Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tammy. Today we're going to try something a little different. Today I'm going to try my hand at the Savage box that I've been seeing on the Facebook groups. So the materials that we're going to need for the Savage box are you're going to need a box, you're going to need vinyl, you're going to need an adhesive to put the vinyl on your glass or whatever you're going to put inside of your box. Scissors, you're going to need scissors, something to weed your vinyl with. You're going to need shredded paper to put in the bottom of your box. And I'm going to be using this tool. I think I'm going to be using this tool to put at the bottom of this wine glass. Another thing you're going to need is a design. So you're gonna have you need a design program to write to type out whatever words that you're gonna be putting on your glass. So whenever you're using a script, make sure that you weld your script together. So you go to this little thing. I don't even know what you call it. You go to this and you click it, and it welds all of the letters that are touching together, so that whenever you get ready to cut it, there won't be any spaces in between. So this is my design, and the next thing I'm going to do is send it to the printer. Stay tuned. So when you're printing, when you're cutting permanent vinyl, you don't have to mirror it. So when you get ready to cut, send it to your cutter. It should look like this on your screen. So I'm going to send it to my machine to cut. And it's going to ask you if you want to mirror it or if you want to send it as is. I want to send it as is. And it's beginning to cut. So after the cut, I'm going to weed it, and then I'll show you the rest. While that's cutting, I'm going to take all the stickers off the bottom of my glasses, and then I'm going to clean each one with alcohol. So I have my glasses clean, have all the adhesive clean from the bottom, and now I'm going to weed my vinyl. I have a piece of transfer tape ready so that once my vinyl is weeded out, I can transfer the vinyl from the backing onto one of the cups. So now I'm going to start to weed out the vinyl. So I like to start at the bottom edge of the vinyl whenever I'm trying to weed it out. Oh, this looks like it's going to be a tricky one. Let's see. Oh, I hate this kind. This looks like it's going to give me a fit. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Fix it so you can see it better. Okay. Oh my goodness. When you have a vinyl that's really, I don't know, it's thin, This stuff is really, really thin, and I don't know. I guess the settings that I cut it at, it didn't cut all the way through. So I'm having a hard time trying to weed it, but I'm going to keep going. I have the bottom part going pretty good, so when you have a vinyl like this that's hard to weed out, my advice is to make sure you keep cutting the parts that you've already pulled up, because with the permanent vinyl, it's easy to stick together. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut in between the words. That's what I should have done to start with. Cut between each of the words instead of trying to weed it all out at one time. Okay, now let's finish this one. Okay, I'm going to come back when I'm finished weeding this. I need to concentrate. So I have everything weeded out now. It was a nightmare, but I got it done. So the next step, I'm going to put the transfer paper onto the vinyl and apply it to one of the glasses. To adhere the transfer sheet to your vinyl, you just peel it off of its backer. If you have this type of my brain is gone. If you have this type of transfer tape, that's what I'm trying to say. And I just do it like this. And one thing that I forgot to tell you that you will need to get your, what did I just do? To get your transfer onto your glass is some type of squeegee. You need a squeegee to squeeze, get the vinyl off of its backer onto the transfer tape. So I'm just making sure that it's adhering to the transfer tape, rubbing it real good all the way around. Once you think you got it on there pretty good, let me see, you take and you peel, you start peeling it off of the backer really, really carefully. Or what you could do is, I'm just going to do it like this. I'm just going to take it all off the backer. And if I need to do something different for the next one, I will. So this is what it's going to look like once you take it off of the once you take it off of the backer that your vinyl was on. So now the next step is to put it on the glass. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to eyeball it. I wouldn't suggest you do it, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to eyeball it, put my glass as straight as I think that I can get it, and I'm just going to bend it in the middle and drop it. Seal one side first. Be careful. If you have to, put a slit in the areas, your problem areas, because this glass is rounded. So you're probably going to have problems trying to put your letters all the way around without putting a little slit in it so that it lays lays down really good. See, I'm going to have to put another slit over here so that I can lay this part down. Hope you can see this. And then I'm going to work on this last part. Whew, I got it. And you want to squeegee it on. Just rub it, rub it, rub it. Really, really hard. I'm going to take this little deal that I found, and I'm just going to squeegee it on to make sure that it's on there really good. Be careful not to rub too hard. Normally what I would use is a credit card or something like that if I don't have a squeegee, or my debit card if I don't have a squeegee. But I think this will do just fine for what I need it for right now. Just trying to make sure that it's adhered to the glass really good. Let's see if you can see that. Let me raise it up some. So, I have it on the glass really good. So now I'm going to take the tape off and go slow. Take your time. See, it's lifting up from the tape. So you have to make sure you have it on there really good before you try to take it off. Okay. Let's try from a different angle. And push down. This isn't working. Let's see. This Cricut transfer tape, it is holding. I'm going to try something. Hold on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to heat it a little to loosen it up and see if it starts to peel away like that, because it's really on there and I'm having a hard time trying to lift it. Let's see. Nope, still not working. If anything, I think that might have made it worse. Let's try it again. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to loosen up some of the adhesive so that it peels away from the vinyl. Come on already. Nope. Well, I might have to use a whole different vinyl from the looks of it, because this isn't, it won't peel away. Crazy. And I don't want this adhesive to get stuck on the glass. This is crazy. Why isn't it coming off? Okay, so I'm trying it again. Rub it on the vinyl really good with the adhesive tape. This, like that. You want to pull it off really, really slowly. Put your glass down and line it up as best as you can. Start with one end and work your way around. Because of the shape of the glass, you might have to put little slits in so that your vinyl will lay the way you need it to lay on the glass to go into the curve. I might have to cut that some more. Just be careful not to cut your vinyl. Okay. Keep on working, going slowly until you get it to lay all the way down. Whew, there it is. During this part, I normally have maybe my debit card or a gift card or a squeegee if you have one. I don't have my squeegee or one of those cards on hand, so I'm going to use this little deal that I found, and I'm going to squeegee. I'm going to rub really firmly until I get the vinyl to adhere to the glass, and try to get all the air bubbles from under there. I tried this with the Cricut adhesive tape, and it would not let go of the vinyl. So I'm trying it with another transfer tape, and I'm gonna see if it works. Oh, it does. Okay, look, you can see it. You pull it really slow. Until you get all of the adhesive tape off. So we have classy. So the type of the kind of adhesive tape I used was just a contact sticky paper, contact paper, a clear contact paper. That's what I used to put it on there. I have the Cricut adhesive, and it's just too strong. It does the job. It really holds, but it's too strong for what I need it for. So I have one down and I have two to go. I'll be back with you. So you guys, this is the finished product. As you can see, I have everything set up. I have all the vinyls on the glasses, and everything's just, it looks really nice. If you guys have any questions, you can contact me at Blissful Crafting with Tammy on my Facebook page, and I can also be reached through my Instagram page, Blissful Crafting with Tammy. So thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, have a good night.